Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Tinker's Construct 2.0 on Minecraft Bedrock. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to Marketplace, then go to a search and write Tinkers. And then you can download Tinker's Construct Lite, that is free, or you can get Tinker's Construct 2.0. It costs, as you can see here, around €6, but you can download it with a Minecraft Marketplace pass if you have some. I got it for 30-day trial, so I can try these add-ons completely for free just by downloading it. And I just need to wait for a couple of seconds, then I just need to download it here. Once it's downloaded, you just need to press activate add-on, right? And then you can add to existing world or you can add to new. And then you can just press create here and have an add-on. That's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.